this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Rebtel App Keeps Stopping error. If you're encountering this, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, so if you are getting this, the first thing you need to do is to troubleshoot the app by accessing its app info page. To do that, go to settings on your phone, and from settings, look for this option called apps. Under apps, go to manage apps or all apps option. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Rebtel like that, and if you tap on it, now you'll be taken to Rebtel app info page. First, go to force stop app to stop any background activities that might be causing this. Then go to clear data and clear cache and okay, and finally clear all data. Once you're done, restart your smartphone, and now if you open your Rebtel app, everything should be up and running. But should you still experience the same issue, then check, and if you have any VPN app installed on your phone, try to uninstall it and see if this works without the app. In most cases, this might be resulting to the app stopping. However, if this does not work, you want to go to Google Play Store or App Store if you're on iPhone and search for your app. So I'll search for mine here and run the search. From here, you can see I have my app. Here you want to check for any update. If we have any update your app to the latest version to fix this. But should this still persist, then most likely now your app has been infested with bugs. For that, you need to clear the bugs by uninstalling the app and then install it afresh. Now by doing this, you will get the latest version of Rebtel app installed on your phone without any bugs. Proceed and open it to start using the latest version of this app. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.